Good day. Today I'm going to discuss the lesson I've learned in this subject, which is micro perspective. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I am Jeric C. Amata from BSHM1B. The psychology of tourism is a field of study that explores the psychological factors underlying tourist behavior, experiences, and decision-making process. It seeks to understand why people travel, how they perceive and evaluate tourism destination, and how tourism affect their well-being. The psychological aspect of tourism, such as motivation for travel decision making and behavior during the travel experience. It examines how people, personalities, attitudes, and perception influence their travel choices and experience. Tourism and cultural Tourism and cultural are intricately connected, with culture playing a significant role in shaping the tourism experience and influencing travelers' perception and interactions with destination. Here are some key points by highlighting the relationship between tourism and culture. I've learned that culture tourism movement of person essential cultural motivation such as study tours, performing arts and cultural tours, travel to festival and other cultural events, visit to site and monuments, travel to study nature, folklore or art and pilgrims. Transportation sector. The transportation sector encompasses all businesses and activities involved in the movement of people and goods from the location to other. This sector includes various modes of transport such as road vehicle like cars, truck, buses, and motorcycle, rail, trains, and subway for both passenger and freight services, and airlines and airports handling passenger and cargo flights, maritime ships, boats, and ports involved in sea and inland waterways transport. Logistic and warehousing services are related to the storage, handling, and distribution of goods. The transportation sector plays a crucial role in the economy by enabling trade, supporting supply chain, and facilitating mobility for people. Next is accommodation. The state of being accommodated, or the act of accommodating someone or something is supplied for convenience or to satisfy accommodation. The state of being accommodated, or the act of accommodating someone or something. Something supplied for convenience or to satisfy a need such as lodging, food and services, or traveling space and related services. I've learned that the accommodation sector is essential for tourism and travel industries, offering a range of options to suit different preferences, budgets, and needs. This sector contributes significantly to the economy by providing jobs, supporting local businesses, and attracting visitors. Food and beverage services can be broadly defined as the process of preparing, presenting, and serving of food and beverage to the customers. This can include restaurants, bars, catering, cafeterias, and food delivered to people through room service at hotels. The food and beverage sector is a vital part of the economy, providing essential services and products that meet daily nutritional and enjoyment needs. It supports a wide range of jobs from farming and production to service and retail and of the industries. The sector also drives culture exchange and innovation through diverse culinary tradition and trends. Next is tourist attractions. Attraction refer to place or events that draw the interest, curiosity, or admiration of people. They are location or experience that are designed to entertain, educate, or provide enjoyment to visitors. Attraction can vary widely in their nature, ranging from natural wonders and historical sites to amusement. amusement parks, and cultural exhibitions. I've learned that tourist attractions play a critical role in the tourism industry by driving visitors numbers, supporting local economies, creating jobs, and fostering cultural exchange. They often serve as the primary reason for travel and significantly influence the overall experience of tourists. Next is and activities for their trip. Tourism planning is intended for local residents and businesses of the location as well as tourists who travel there. there. I've learned that increases income and job from tourist spending that help preserve cultural and natural heritage for tourists in increased understanding of the culture, tourism development, the process of establishing and maintaining the tourism industry in a particular location. At its most fundamental level, tourism and development can be defined as the tourist attraction. Tourist Tourist attraction refer to place or events that draw the interest, curiosity, or admiration of people. They are location or experiences that are designed to entertain, educate, or provide enjoyment to visitors. Attraction can vary widely in their nature, ranging from natural wonders and historical sight to amusement parks, and cultural exhibitions. I've learned that tourist attraction play a critical role in the tourism industry by driving visitors numbers, supporting local economies, creating jobs, and fostering cultural exchange. They often serve as primary reason for travel and significantly influence the overall experience of tourists. Next, employment opportunities in tourism. The tourism industry also offers opportunities for freelance and seasonal work, which can be ideal for students, part-time workers, or those seeking temporary employment. Additionally, the sector is known for its potential to foster entrepreneurship with many individuals starting their own businesses in areas like travel, blogging, tour guiding, and niche travel planning. Overall, tourism provides the diverse career paths that can cater to various skills, sets, interests, and educational backgrounds, making it a dynamic and inclusive field for employment. Tourism provide diverse career path that can cater to various skills set interests and educational backgrounds, making it a dynamic and inclusive field for employment. Tourism planning is the process of considering the needs of people planning a trip and using those factors to determine the best resources, programs, and activities for their trip. Tourism planning is intended for local residents and businesses of the location, as well as tourists who travel there. I've learned that it increases income and jobs from tourist spending. It helps preserve cultural and natural heritage for tourists and increases understanding of other cultures. Tourism development, the process of establishing and maintaining a tourism industry in a particular location. At its most fundamental level, tourism development can be defined as the process of developing strategies and plans to increase, develop, encourage tourism in a particular destination. I've learned I've learned that tourism development is a multifaceted and dynamic process that requires collaboration, innovation, and long-term perspective to create sustainable and resilient destination that deliver meaningful experiences for visitors and benefits for host communities. And that's all. Thank you.